Tired of struggling with inaccurate readings on your car? Want a fast, reliable way to fix them without stress, confusion, or expensive trips? Today, I'm revealing the best odometer correction tool that can transform your vehicle maintenance game instantly. This tool is powerful, efficient, and a total game changer for every car owner, mechanic, or enthusiast out there. Links in the description for easy access. So let's start. Number 5. Topton AD600S OBD2 scanner is an absolute powerhouse for car maintenance. It features 9 advanced reset services, including oil, brake, TPMS, SAS, BMS, DPF, ABS bleeding, and injector coating, giving you complete control over your vehicle's health. Its 5-inch high-resolution touchscreen powered by Android 11 makes operation smooth, fast, and precise, even in dim garages. With compatibility across over 90 vehicle brands and all OBDI-equipped cars since 1996. It works on gasoline, diesel, SUVs, trucks, and more. AutoVin technology automatically identifies your car, while live data displays and the onboard DTC library help diagnose problems instantly. One-click, lifetime free updates keep your scanner current. No extra fees ever. Ideal for DIYers and professional mechanics. It prevents costly repairs, reduces breakdowns, and ensures safer drives. Compact, durable, and feature-packed, the Topton AD600S makes diagnostics simple, fast, and reliable. Don't miss out on this ultimate car diagnostic companion. Number 4. Launch X431 CRP919 EBT is the ultimate professional OBD2 scanner for 2025. With 35+ special services, it performs full system diagnostics in seconds. Enjoy bi-directional control in over 3,000 active tests to check ECU functionality instantly. The 4-core processor and Android 10.0 make operations smooth, fast, and reliable. It supports CAN-FD and DOIP, FCA auto-off, and VAG guided functions, giving you OE-level accuracy. Wireless DB SCAR VI adapter extends connectivity up to 67 feet, perfect for workshop freedom. Read and clear codes, access ABS, ECM, BCM, SRS, TCM, TPMS, and more. AutoVin, 8-in-1 live data, AMP camera, and built-in Google browser add extra convenience. Covering 150+ brands worldwide, this scanner suits hybrids, EVs, SUVs, and pickups. 2-year Wi-Fi updates keep it future-proof. Fast, precise, and loaded with trending features. This tool is a must-have for every mechanic or car enthusiast. Number 3. X-Tool D7 is an absolute powerhouse for car diagnostics. This 2025 OBD2 scanner delivers true bi-directional control, full system scanning, and ECU coding like professional-grade tools. With 36+ advanced functions, you can reset brakes, perform injector coding, throttle relearns, crank sensor relearns, and even handle electronic parking brake calibrations with ease. Its upgraded 5,000 mAh battery ensures all-day operation, while FCA, CAN-FD, and DOIP support expand coverage to more vehicles than ever. View 8 live PIDs simultaneously, export diagnostic data, and generate customized V2.0 reports for clients or personal records. Perfect for DIYers and mechanics alike. It saves hundreds yearly and covers over 100,000 vehicles. Multilingual support, 3 years of free updates, and reliable X-Tool customer care make this scanner unbeatable. Affordable, efficient, and professional, X-Tool D7 turns anyone into a car diagnostic pro. Number 2. Ansel FX 2000 US OBD2 scanner is an absolute must-have for every car owner. This incredible 5-in-1 tool reads engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission codes instantly. Plug-and-play operation ensures even beginners can diagnose their car in minutes. It supports over 10,000 car models from US, EU, Asian, and Japanese brands. Live sensor data is displayed in graphs, making troubleshooting easy and accurate. AutoVin technology quickly identifies your vehicle for faster diagnostics. With a vibrant 4-inch color screen, reading and understanding fault codes is effortless. Lifetime free software updates keep your scanner up to date without extra costs. Compact, durable, and easy to handle. It's perfect for DIYers or professional mechanics. DTC explanations and test reports help you save time and repair money. Get ready to take full control of your car's health and performance today. Don't wait. Upgrade your car diagnostic game now. Number 1. Foxwell NT604 Elite is a professional-grade, all-in-one car scanner. The 2025 version works instantly, out of the box, no software download needed. Scan ABS, SRS, engine and transmission codes with extreme accuracy. Live data streaming, built-in DTC library, playback, and printing make car diagnostics fast and easy. AutoVin finds your vehicle info instantly. No extra fees. Supports 60-plus car brands worldwide, from America to Asia and Europe. Solid protective case keeps the device safe, and lifetime updates guarantee it stays current. Affordable and reliable, it helps reset warning lights and detect problems before costly repairs. Perfect for IM readiness checks, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. Avoid unnecessary dealership trips and save time and money. For serious car owners, Foxwell NT604 Elite is the ultimate OBD2 scanner. Powerful, efficient, and essential. Conclusion: if you're looking for accuracy, reliability, and ease of use, the best odometer correction tool is the ultimate choice to get the job done quickly and efficiently. It's a game changer for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more amazing reviews.